How to pause Instagram Reel without holding button. If any day you are an Instagram user and you love watching Instagram Reels, but you're frustrated by using the holding button on Instagram Reels as it takes a lot of time, then do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For this, you can go to the search section on your mobile device and then search Instagram application out there. After you search Instagram out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Instagram application because after you tap on the Instagram application, your very Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the very option of the Reels in order to watch the Reels that you want. So when you go to the Reels icon on the downside, you can see the various kind of Reels there. Now you have to tap just one icon out there. You have to just tap once for a while, and this way your very video will be stopped this way, or it will be paused as well. So this way you can solve your very problem, and it will be very fun for you to watch the Reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.